You can actually run ads as a network marketer to use a 24/7 ways to generate qualified leads. Did you know that? 24/7 ways, in other words, also meant it is an automation that you have set up. Let me show you. Okay, so here you go. This is what I do. I will use a landing page builder. For example, this one, system.io, is a brand, very user friendly, even for beginners. And you set up your lead magnet, which is actually a digital product, which is created by you, right? And you give something that most network marketers wanted. For example, a lead magnet that talks about what are the proven strategies to generate qualified leads in a network marketing business, right? And thereafter, ask for the contact information so that you can do your follow up later on. So that is how you do it. That is actually the secret behind a modern day and digital network marketer will deploy. And upon submission of their contact information, they will come to the second page, right, that you have actually set up for them to download your lead magnet. It's as simple as that. And you can go on to value add to them. This is another proven strategy that works all the time, that we will send them to a private community group whereby you can continue to build a deeper relationship with your newly generated leads. And when you actually deploy your leads generation landing page with a lead magnet like the one that I've shown you earlier on, you can actually go on and run online ads for it. That brings your automation in generating qualified leads to a higher level to outbeat your competitors in the market. This is just one of the many strategies that you can deploy as a modern day network marketer. If you want to learn more, other amazing insider strategy, comment playbook below this video. In this playbook, right, it is a total of 13 chapters of and 57 pages of strategies and tactics plus real proven actionable steps that you can actually use. For example, knowing how to create your own landing pages. Also, you can also create your own chatbots that can be AI powered as well. And there is another follow-up strategy you can employ, which is email marketing. And last but not least, it will also cover about how do you use online advertising to market your network marketing business. And when you decided to grab my playbook that I have put together for you, I will also be giving you an additional 5 bonuses to help you to jumpstart the setting up of your own digital marketing business system. So go ahead, comment the word playbook in the comment box now. Start embracing the modern digital marketing way to build your network marketing business. Ditch the old school, inefficient, and at times inauthentic ways of doing the one-on-one prospecting.